Very dangerous.
Oh yes.
New video with unbelievable crashes. You're watching Impact Zone. Hit like, subscribe, and let's check out the craziest impacts of the week.
So I ran into this biker because he was texting and driving.
You mother! What are you looking at your phone, officer?
The situation. This is exactly why you don't block the intersection.
Ни влево, ни вправо. У людей. Смотрите, какая пробка в сторону Жукова.
That they were trying to do a U-turn. Truck driver had no idea that he was pushing a car. Ran into the same car twice within a few minutes. After the crash, they got out to exchange information. Just got their car cleaned after coming out of the car wash. Parked their car a little too close to the ocean, so when they came back, it was swept away by the waves. Door. Driver that was asleep at a green light. It's a good idea to pass in front of a police officer that was going too slow.
No.
Shut up.
I hope he pulls you over. Oh, he's pulling you over.